Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can uh, chat for help in Chipotle Pepper. So let's get straight into it. Now what you need to do is come to their official website, so chipotle.com, and now you can scroll down a little bit to the end and you will see here contact support. Click on that and the new page will show up. So here you have basically quick questions, and you can find one if you uh, are knowing what your question basically is. So if you need food information, you have here some quest or purchase, nutrition, then you have company info, delivery. So if you have some question by delivery, you can find it right here. But if you don't find it, you can also, here you will see Ask Pepper right here in this bottom right corner, and probably AI, this their agent AI will show up here, and you can start typing something for them. So you will need to agree to start, and now you have already pre-made questions, or you can type in text what you need. And yeah, this is basically how you can uh, get help from Chipotle Pepper. Also, you can go here to the contact support and click here tell us about, and you will go through some this report, and yeah, like survey, and you will then complete your what you need to. So which Chipotle restaurant did you order from, and so on and so on. And then you will get a contact from them. So this is basically how you can contact support. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.